intoxicated.
You're legally intoxicated by law, sir, don't argue. By law, you're legally intoxicated. The state of Michigan says at a .08, you are presumed to be intoxicated.
Listen, I can get Uber to take.
No, I'll provide transportation for the next trip. 90 days in jail on each of these two files, and then we'll close them out unsuccessfully.
A probation violator walks into court facing serious allegations, but what happens next shocks everyone in the courtroom. Already accused of picking up new charges and ignoring court-ordered treatment, the defendant now faces a new problem, appearing before the judge while allegedly intoxicated. What begins as a routine probation hearing quickly turns into a direct confrontation over accountability, alcohol abuse, and repeated violations.
This is a bill.
Yeah, well, that's what Jamie told me.
Oh, question.
You talked to the attorney with the white hair, right?
Yes.
Mr. Bout, it's your appearance for Mr. Schomer.
Your Honor, for the records, you have about very out. With Mr. Stover, sir, you tell the judge your name for the record, please.
And it's shown.
Thank you. Hold on just a minute. Just so you know, we told Mr. Smith we'll just give him a notice.
Yeah, thank you.
We'll let you know what the date is.
I think I can.
Okay.
I got it right up right here from Mr. Smith. Yeah.
I don't know why there's two.
Oh, no. It's just an adjournment.
Yeah, adjourn for discovery.
It's gonna be in person, just so you know. Remember, you did a sentencing, Mr. Louder changed to.
Yeah, Delauder's not a pretrial day.
That's fine.
Yeah, so this will be a different date.
Absolutely.
Okay, all right.
Your Honor, today's the date it's set for violation of probation.
I've got two files. I've got a file ending in 1182, and I've got file ending in 1648.
Your Honor, the violation of probation is he picked up new charges. I'm not addressing the new charges because he has a retained attorney
Right,
on the new charges.
and a date to come back on that file.
Right.
Right.
But he has an issue today, Your Honor. With court.
So that's not the only issue today. The new charges are an allegation that they would be a violation of probation, but my indication from the probation department is that Mr. Schomer has not done anything I've told him to do. Told him to do treatment at GrowthWorks, told him to do community service, gave him work program days. Has he ever showed you any indication of treatment?
No indication or documentation of treatment, Your Honor. He did complete his 30 hours of community service, which was a sanction for appearing at the court intoxicated.
Right.
And no documentation of treatment. He did complete the order of 10 days on the work program. Again, that's a sanction. Completed 8 or 9, I believe, and on that 8 or 9th day was when he was intoxicated while on work.
Right. So he hasn't finished the work program. He showed up here, including today, at least 3 times under the influence. What was his PBT today?
Today is 0.10.
All right. Do you have, Mr. Bowditch, do you have any concerns whether or not Mr. Schomer is so intoxicated that he can't make informed decisions today?
Your Honor.
All right. So are we entering a responsible or a guilty plea to the violation or a not guilty plea?
Well, Your Honor, I said he's plead guilty. He picked up a new charge and he's intoxicated in court. That's obviously a violation. So we be pleading guilty. He said his explanation, he can afford that to you, Your Honor.
I'm willing to listen to anything you've got to tell me, Mr. Schomer.
Excuse.
It was last night. I had girls and friends come over. We were playing cards till like 2 o'clock in the morning. And I went to bed after that. I didn't wake up this morning to sign anything. Right? I came here, took a shower, had my coffee, and I showed up here early.
All right.
The 10th to a case that they think I was drunk, and there's no proven evidence of that.
I'm not talking about that file. That's,
Okay.
you've got to,
I was here this morning.
yeah. But you knew you were coming here. It wasn't a surprise visit.
Yeah, I didn't come in here intoxicated.
You're legally intoxicated by law, sir, don't argue. By law, you're legally intoxicated. The state of Michigan says at a .08, you are presumed to be intoxicated.
Come in here.
The entire case shifts when the judge confronts the defendant with the evidence, a preliminary breath test showing a blood alcohol level above the legal limit. As the defendant argues he only had a few drinks the night before, the judge rejects the explanation and calls out the pattern of behavior. In that moment, any chance of leniency begins to disappear, and the courtroom battle reaches its breaking point.
I had a night, okay, with friends, okay, we enjoyed our moment, okay. I had a few drinks, okay, I can't.
Sir, don't blow smoke up my ass. Listen to me. If you're at a .08 at 11 o'clock in the morning, you had more than a few drinks last night. And you had more than a few.
Say, who was counting? I mean, I'm just enjoying the moment.
I bet you'll be counting now because I'm violating on both these files and you're going to do 90 days in jail on each file. I don't understand how your head works.
Listen, I can get Uber to take.
No, I'll provide transportation for the next trip. 90 days in jail on each of these 2 files, and then we'll close them out unsuccessfully.
I'll lose my moment.
That's not my concern.
It's my job.
That's not my concern. Sir, I have given you every leeway.
I didn't do this intentionally.
You accidentally got so drunk last night that you're at a .10 at 11 a.m.
I felt.
Then grow the hell up. You're not 20 years old. The kind of behavior I'm seeing from you is what I'm used to seeing in 20-year-olds. Go to jail. Goodbye. We're done.
What do you want to say? You think the word my pets? Are they here now?
No.
Okay, we got.
Thank you.
Never ceases to be baffled. You know? All right. Thank you, Mr. Bowditch.
It addles the bread.
It must. We were talking about it. He's always the most pleasant of people, and he keeps making decisions like a young and dumb.
Wait, is he'll be sober for 180 days?
And he'll get drunk when he gets out.
We lose control of that.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah, we take it.
But now, you know, all this stuff, it's stupid, but it's not dangerous. But now the allegation is he's driving like that. Right? I mean, we can't. He's gone beyond, he's a nuisance. Right? Now he's a danger.
Thank you.
The only good news, John, ain't one of my kids.
Good point.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Okay, thank you, guys.
So I want to make sure we do something on that MIT. So number one, they don't try to do them concurrent.
With patients exhausted and repeated violations piling up, the judge delivers the final consequence: 90 days in jail on each probation file and an unsuccessful closure of both cases. The ruling sends a clear message that repeated noncompliance, public intoxication, and disregard for court orders carry serious consequences. In the end, this case became a powerful example of how quickly second chances can run out when accountability is ignored.